friends, it's Wendy with Oil Transformations, and I just got my packages from Young Living. I am so excited because this month I'm going to be sharing with you double the bundles because I love everything that was offered for free this month, and I always need more product around the holidays. So I went ahead and I placed my regular ER order, and then I did a regular shop order so that I got double of the promotional products. So I'm going to show you first what's in my ER order this month because it's a little bit different. Not a lot, but a little bit different. So my standard is always to get 2 boxes of Master Formula. This is the supplement Ben and I use that supports our health and keeps us above that wellness line. And so we each use 1 a month. That's 2 boxes every single month without fail. And then I decided to go to the Pure Protein Complete this time instead of my Balance Complete, because I wanted to see if some of these little love handles could go away if I'm not doing the carbs in my morning breakfast. If you haven't tried this, it's available in 2 flavors. I got the vanilla spice because I like to make it with my kale or my spinach and make it a greens drink every morning. But it lends itself very well to that also with the chocolate flavor. But I also like to mix it up a little bit and use my oils to flavor it using the orange and tangerine and citrus fresh oils to give it a little bit of that orange creamsicle flavor. And I love to put peppermint in it, which is obviously delicious in the chocolate, but if you haven't tried it, it's good in the vanilla too. So this one is going to be my breakfast every morning, and we'll see what happens here in the next few weeks. Then I also was low on dish detergent, so I got a dish soap, and this 1 bottle, just in case you haven't heard me or seen it on my website, I will take this 1 bottle and turn it into 4 bottles. This is going to last me probably 5-6 months or more. So I only buy usually 2 of these bottles a year. So got that one in stock. And then I also got the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, that's a mouthful, Hydrosol. If you don't know what a hydrosol is, this is basically the leftover waters after the distillation of the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood. And I'm using this as a base for a hair tonic for my husband. And he's noticing that his hair may be a little fuller since starting to use this along with some essential oils. If you have any interest in that, let me know. I'll get you over the recipe. And then, let's see, I ordered Thieves because I don't want to go through the winter without my support for all things immunity with my Thieves. And then charcoal bar soap. This one's also for Ben. I've been switching off. I've been alternating for him with the Shutron bar soap and the charcoal. And we think the charcoal may be the winner. He works construction, so especially in the hot summer months, he comes home a little bit less desirable. But with the bar soap, we're finding, the charcoal, I should say, we are finding that that's no longer the case. He doesn't have the body odor from the perspiration. So 2 thumbs up on that one. And then my freebies for the month. Northern Lights Black Spruce was an Essential Rewards bonus oil that if you do it as a shop order, you don't get it, but only in the ER. So stocking up on my Northern Lights Black Spruce. A lot of you may have gotten a sample of that in the mail with a couple of other delicious oils. And a new bottle of frankincense. I love that I can almost always count on Young Living to replenish my frankincense every December as a promo item. Guys, this is one of the more expensive oils, and when I can get it for free just for using products that I already bring into my home, of course I'm gonna do that. So if you've not taken advantage of these promo oils, think about it, because this stuff is amazing. I love it for the face. I use it every single night to put in my face and then add my moisturizer, and I repeat that in the morning. So I go through frankincense frequently, and I love free bottles. And then Breathe Again. Breathe Again is previously only been available as a roll-on in a 10 milliliter. This month, they gave us a 15 milliliter Breathe Again. Such a timely gift. I love, love, love this oil, and I can't wait to get it going in my diffuser. And then last but certainly not least, we have a passive diffuser. And what they mean by that is this is not going to require any type of batteries or a cord, and it's the perfect size, I think, to go in to my car in the cup holder. And it's an absorbent stone, so you put your oils here and you get the benefit of the scents wherever you place it and take it. So this is ideal for a place where maybe in your office, maybe you don't have, in a cubicle area, you don't have an extra outlet. This is ideal, and it's only available during the PV promos for December. So I feel very blessed. I've got 2 of those. Okay. So that's my ER order. Now let's move on to my shop order. And in my shop order this month, I don't want that falling, but I got another gentle cleanser from the Art line. And this, if you've not tried it, it does have some of the most amazing feeling on your skin. It's a foaming pumper, so you only use 1 pump. It's so economical to use this stuff. And I love the fact that I can use this for my entire face, and it also removes my makeup gently. I don't have to be scrubbing my skin and pulling on my skin because the foam's already been made. So I can just gently apply it, and I feel so good after I use that. Let's see, next up is I was running low on Super Count Plus because my doctor insists that I take a vitamin D supplement. If you've ever seen me in person, I absolutely struggle with the widow's hump. My grandmother had it, I've got it, and I try very hard to support my bone health and my density. And we've seen a difference since using the product in my bone density scans. So that's exciting, and he just wants me to stay on it. And then Aluminize. Yeah, I'm at that stage where it's probably going to be not the too distant future that I'm going to have to break down and maybe look at. I don't really need glasses except to read. So I don't know, the cheaters work, but I'd like to keep it at a low, not prescription, but low magnification for as long as possible, because I believe in my whole heart of hearts that if we start relying on them sooner, we're going to need prescription or stronger assistance sooner. So I'm taking the Aluminize, and this will be the start of my 3rd month. So I'm anxious to see, because a lot of other people that I've been talking to and reading about have said that after their 3rd month, they thought their vision had changed. They were upset because they'd just gotten new glasses. And lo and behold, when they went to their optometrist, their test showed that yes, they needed new glasses, but their vision had improved, so their strength needed to go down. Hallelujah. Let's see, prostate health. This is for Ben. We use this on a monthly basis. So we got another one of those, and I stocked up on Agilese with 2 bottles because Ben and I each take that every single month. Again, with that widow's hump, with being on the computer and down over, hunched over a lot. Plus, I had an accident that just basically had a 14-foot steel pole fall right across my head, neck, back, and shoulders. So I deal with a lot of, shall we say, orthopedic issues, for lack of a better term, and I'm always sore. Not so when I have my Agilese on board. So that keeps everything lubricated, it keeps everything working the way it should, and helps me to feel my best every day. Another bottle of the Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol. It's limited to 1 per month, so I stocked up by getting it in the shop order also. So, and then my freebies, Breathe Again, frankincense, and another diffuser, which is fabulous. And a second bag of the pure protein because I'm gonna go through this much in a month. So that's products, plus I ordered a Clean Living magazine. Guys, if you've not seen this, it is a beautiful, full color, well-written magazine that's got recipes in here for different products uses. Also, it's got recipes for food using the Vitality line. It tells you about some of our food line products, and it talks about our CBD, our Thieves, all of our oils, and it's a great way for you to get educated on the products. It's also a great way to share with someone else so that they see all that Young Living is about. Our Savvy Minerals, our kids line, our nutrients, at home products, and love the recipes that they put in here. So $5 to get one of these magazines. It comes out quarterly, so gives you lots of great education and always information on our Nature's Ultra as well. So those are what I got this month. And some people say, well, why didn't you just put it all on your ER? Because if I put it on my ER, I wouldn't have gotten these freebies. And this bottle cost me, I think it's roughly $80 now for this bottle at wholesale. So why would I not do 2 separate orders? It's over $100 for each box. So I get free shipping on both boxes. So that's my little tip for you today. Anytime you can get something for free, I say give it a try. And it's a great way to try products that you've not had in your home before. And it's just a nice way to let the company thank you for being a loyal supporter. So I hope every single one of you has a fabulous holiday, and I can't wait to see what the new year brings for all of us. And in the meantime, just stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.